Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn this keyword. It is the most important keyword and it is usually asked in the interview, right? So let's go and learn what is the this keyword. We can say that this keyword is the special keyword. We can say this keyword as a special keyword, and what we can say is means this is going to be refers to the current object of the class. Let's take one example. Let's take you are writing a form. You are writing one form in your for your school or colleges. You are writing one form. So in that form, you can see that my name is space, right? My name is space is there, right? You are going to write your name, right? Here, what you are indicating means you are referring to yourself, right? Means read that sentence, my name is Misbah, right? So while writing that sentence you are referring to yourself, right? Means we can say that you are referring to current object of the class or you are referring to yourself. We can say that this keyword means it is a special keyword in Java that refers to the current object of that class. We can say that. And one more thing, we can say that where we are going to use means in Java, we can say that this keyword is used inside the non-static methods or constructor. Inside that we can make use of this keyword. It helps to resolve the conflict. You will understand this one. We will take one example so that you will be understand in a better way. So let's take way we are going to use means let's take one example. You will understand in a better way. See here, I told you one example, right? When you are writing a file, what you are going to do? When you are writing a file, you will write it as a my name is Misbah, right? So here what we can say, how we can say in Java means this dot name equal to name, you can say. Okay, name you can say. Here, see here, this left side is there, right? This dot name, it is the instant variable and it is the local variable, we can say, or we can say it is the constructor parameter, right? Which in the constructor parameter which name is there, that is the thing we can say, or it is a local variable, we can say. This is this keyword. This keyword means it is a special keyword, we can say this. I know if you don't understand now itself, but you will be understand in the coding part while we are doing. Just simply understand in a sentence what the this keyword means. Just imagine this picture while you are defining the this keyword. It is a special keyword and it is going to refer the current object of that class or current object, we can say. This is about this keyword. And so why we need means let's take one example program so you will be understand in a better way. So okay, Java series. Okay, here I will create one class. So I will do one thing, I will clear everything so you will be understand in a good way. See here, this is the special keyword, we can say, right? This is a special keyword which is going to refer to current object, right? We can say that. Why we need this keyword means let's take one example so you will be understand in a better way. So let's take one class called as a students. I will take, then click on finish. Okay, here, see here, I will give simply string and name I will give, then here student, and here we will give string and name, then here I will give, here I'm going to give a students, right? This is a constructor, right? If you don't know constructor, go and check my playlist. Then here name equal to name. See here Java gets confused because it is get confused means Java thinks both the names are same, right? Name both are looking same. Which one to take and in which you need to store, you don't know, right? See here I will tell you simply. Let's take you are having one box, okay? You are having one box, and here also you are having one box. Your mom tell you go, and they will give you one thing. They will tell you go, I have placed one box there, um, put this item in that box. Your mom give you one item and she is going to tell put this item in one box. What you are going to do, you will go to kitchen and you will see there is a two box. Mom said put this one in a box, right? So let's take your mom will means maintain everything for different items. They will use the different boxes, different box styles. She is something always unique, use a unique thing. So you are going to think in which box I need to put that item, here or here, which one. If I put there, mom, if mom scold, right, that you will get confused, right? Or she will tell simply go there in kitchen, one box is there, pick that one and give me, like that. If she told you, then what you are going to do, you will go to kitchen. She told box, there is a box, and go and pick that one, right? So which box, here so many boxes are there, which one you need to pick, you will get confused, right? So like that here Java will also be confused here. For which name, here this name, for this name, which one, it is get confused. So for that purpose we are using a keyword called as this. So what it is going to do means, it is going to take this one, left side is there, no, this one, take it as a instance variable. In that one you need to store, like that it is going to understand that one. So here it is a which one you are taking in parameter, that thing is this one, like that it is going to understand clearly. So that's why, to give a clarity, we are using a this keyword, we can say that. I think so you understand that, right? Why we need this one. Here confusion will happen. To clear that one, we are using keywords of this, right? So let's take a first case where we are using this keyword, means to resolve the variable shadowing. Means you are having a variable same, it is looking like a same, it is getting confused, right? Before I told you here, if you give this one here the same name, right? So to solve the shadowing problem, you are using this keyword. So this is one case we can say, right? So another case, let's take here calling the constructor using this, means from one constructor to you are calling another constructor, right? That's time we are making use of this thing. So let's go and understand. Let's take here already one thing is there, right? Student name is there. I will take one more. So simply I'm going to remove this one. So in the second case, what I'm going to tell means, here see, you are calling from this constructor to this constructor you are calling, right? So this is like a method type, but you are making use of this one to call the constructor, right? So you need to, here we are having a what parameter, right? So give that one here means right? So what it is going to do means, when you create a student's object, that time this constructor will be called here, right? So after that, here we are written this here, right? Here we are given a name, right? String we are given. It is going to call this constructor. We are, if you want to call from one constructor to another constructor, we are making use of this keyword also. So that time we are making use of this mispa, right? Like that, this we are making use of this one. So next one is calling the current method. Next scenario is calling the current method. Calling the current method means, we will take here in the coding part. So let's take, you are having one method. We will write you are having one method called as a void, and you are having a greet. And here we will simply give one sentence, hello, like that. I'm going to give one method, and I'm going to give one more method called as a display. And here what I'm going to do means we are calling this method. We are trying to call another method present in the class. Present in that class, we are trying to call the another method. How we are going to call means you are making use of this keyword dot. Which method you need to call here, right? This method, right? Means greet method. So greet, greet, this method you are calling. So this is about the third case where we are using calling the current method. Calling the current method means you are calling, means here you are calling from here one method to another method, you are calling that one, right? Same how you are going to call that one greet, like that you are going to call in the normally, but we are using this, right? This keyword we are making used, right? It is normally helpful in inheritance concept. It is mostly this things is going to be help. So let's take another scenario where you are going to use means passing the current object as an argument. Passing the current object as an argument. So let's take what means. Let's go to the coding part. Here we will do one thing. Here I am going to give students s, like it is the class name and it is the reference, right? So what I'm going to do here means here I will simply give one sentence, hi. Then here I'm taking one more method called as a call. Then here what I'm going to do means I'm going to call the display method with reference. We need to for means call, we need to put here reference, right? But what we are going to do means we need to pass the object here, right? We need to pass the object. Which object means this object we need to call means students object we need to pass, right? So we are making use of this keyword here. I'm going to tell you once again. Here we are having a display and we are giving a students s, right? It is like a what it is like a we are how we are going to give a object, right? Students class object we are giving here. So in this method here in the call method we are written a display, and here we need to give the what object we need to pass here, right? So if you use this, what it is going to indicate means it is means you are passing the current object, like that you are passing the current object. It is going to indicate like that. Means you are this, if you use the this keyword, it is going to indicate like you are passing the current class object itself, like that it is going to indicate. This is the 4 scenarios. Quickly I'm going to say resolving the variable shadowing means if you use the just what name, then it is going to make a confusion. So that time you are making use of this name equal to, sorry, name equal to array. Here name equal to, here we will give as a name. Okay, this is like how we can resolve the variable shadowing problem. If you want to call from one constructor to the another constructor, we are making use of this one, right? And if you want to give the particular, if you want to call the particular constructor, like if that constructor have the parameter, then you need to mention here a parameter. This is by using this one we are calling from one constructor to another constructor. And if you want to call the current method, how you are going to call means using this dot, how this dot, which one, what, which method you need to call. We mentioned as a greet, right? So greet, like that we are going to call the method that is present in the same class, and here passing the current object as an argument. If you want to pass the current object, then you are making use of this keyword. How means like a display, then you are passing here as a this keyword, right? You are making use of this keyword, like that. This is about how we are going to use this and what are the things we can solve using this one, this keyword. we understand the real world example, like when you are going to fill the form, you are going to write like that, my name is, and here you are going to write your name. Here we can say that you are referring to yourself. What are the rules we can see here means, we can see the rules here. If you want to call the another constructor in the same class, we are making use of what, this, and here this one, right, means this one, right. Then if you want to differentiate between the class variables and method variables, that time you are making use of this keyword, right, this keyword. And if you want to call from one constructor to another constructor, you are making use this one, right. To call the current method, we are using like this one. And if you want to pass the object, how you are going to use this one. This is like a something rule how you are going to use, right. Mostly asked in the interview, tell me the this keyword. So this is about this keyword we can say. So this keyword means it is a special method we can say, right. It is a special method that is going to, this keyword means it is a special keyword we can say. It is going to be refers to the current object we can say. This is about this keyword and how we are going to use that one. And I told you, if you do not use this keyword, then confusion will be happen. Like if your mother told in kitchen, you can see one box, take that box and give it to your father, like that. If they told what you are going to do, you will go to kitchen, there are so many boxes are there, which box you need to give it to your father, you don't know, here confusion will happen, right. That thing we can say as here confusion will happen, like that we can say. And why means it is going to solve the shadowing problem we can say. If you want to call the constructor, how you are going to use that one. If you want to call the methods, how you are going to do that one. If you want to give the object of the current class, watch how you are going to give that one. This is about this keyword. If you have any doubt, let me know in the comments. See you in the next. Thank you.